Tiena NDC ye election war Asante Akim North oba parliament ebeka tree o se omo dialect na osache mo brofo no sa branch no wo he na say what ne hu KCB ebusia wonte ye de ne mampembo mo e na afen so MPP for mo bomb flu so you because something is coming their way. Paul Adom Ochre
abusa fanya misha bibi ambe didn't no go artists e Ghana TV mestre say obeso subscribe to the channel and never widen share the comment section never na like my eja na misha bibi abusa for there's another by-election a basu gidi. These are normal words. You see, there's another by-election. Say mbe kaya ye wo MPP Achim North. Yes. Honorable Ohene Frimpong, Kwame Frimpong. Yes. Ye be kai sell some last 2 weeks bina ni insem by say ye chin or UK or the with cocaine and the other and na ono ankasa babu ti be ka kire ye say na enya no kre na ne yire ni ono ne yire na enya asem ne ade ade no enu na honorable Paul Adom Ochre onso be kasa ye e fa sa asem we see there's possibility of another by-election in Ohene Kwame Frimpong constituency and until our case will see any member of parliament or go through a law case and I say investigation be near the other, especially in another man's country there. There's possibility say there will be another by-election in that person constituency. I was from my uncle, then got senior Oka, and I say in seven name Rana by mission.
Hello Abusia, it seems a new political chapter may be unfolding soon in Ghana. Bepacha wa Ohene Kwame Frimpong abrantie na NDC ye election war Asante Akim North oba parliament ebeka tree o se omo dialect na osache mo brofo no sa branch no wo he na say what ne hu KCB ebusia wonte ye de ne mampembo mo e na afen so MPP for mo bomb flu so you because something is coming their way. Paul Adom Ochre, the host of Good Evening Ghana, who is a long-time media voice. I mean, be any mono. I mean, you say or MPP was them because it seems say my NDC for grandpa. And anyway, I don't know. Or no what say ebusia there's something brewing. Another by-election be baso wo Asante Akim North. How? About say why na the by-election after the iso a pampaso any bon don come. Na small can say by-election they say baso Asante Akim North what dia Asante Akim North no is NPP stronghold unlike Akwetia. Asante Akim Hon money is NPP stronghold. In some by-election definitely NPP might take that seat in the back. Also can say nunti and na NDC for a rally behind ekoko winnie Akwetia di no. Nyamna make say you no make I'm just telling you what I found online. Ebusia assembly na say abrantie Ohene abrantie Ohene Kwame Frimpong me say Nancy Bini one sense be by from Britain say the girlfriend be were Britain extra police and man or restrain order to so Emma or damn pemuas and pedwani muhibi and damn pemu babeki can same be saying go for atamfo yenyame atamfo penny down 4 5 go see him. Minimu says our story no say Paul Adom Ochre atamo no so babeki dia but asama Paul Adom Ochre can say this person no legal issues or fighting legal issues outside Ghana. I want to not lend no or fight it that a legal issues no. Now I mean according to our constitution, so they want to mean them police I mean good character. Right? You don't have good character to that I mean gives you the merit to basically represent the people of Ghana, the good citizens of Ghana. Into Posoka say if those court allegations are proven and this man is charged there. And the NPP for a mobile you because another by-election is coming their way. After this by-election, say NPP, a Michael Beffy, and so the association then. And the minimum, I'm just speculating. Ebusia a yasemo So what is asking me? And I said, won't see ye. Say, opposite cause say, NDC for economic kulusu or abranti crew more dear, Santia came north wa. I mean, it be reduce or more, by one. Big deal. It be increase the NPP by one. Big deal. So the question is, what are the legal basis from abranti? Mr. Paul Adumoche? I don't know. Course is no Britain is no more rule be now. More rule be a fabric. Now we're beating about the bullshit they're saying you. That's I mean, it's a windy more. How soon any bigger this answer every home. Anyway, Busia, thank you for tuning in. Ghana's political landscape is very, very dynamic. It changes like any time, any minute, it can change. So what you're saying. And see, we don't know if another by-election is by any you are you're a crowd, you're trained. But I must say, what's the use of a Mangunia Bema Biara, Uniaba? Now, if you before you say, I probably a year will be an DNM, no matter what, a bit affecting in a lot of things. Obi Nejiwa, man and call. Obi Jiwa, let the person go. The person is not worth it. Let the person go. Apparently, Zion passes as asking me. A case of girlfriend, a cocktail restraining order to see, and will Brittany. Not say Yampa ever be affected such a prestigious position. See, meaning Nintia for me allow themselves for relationship to be their downfall. How many women are in the world? How many men are in the world? But couldn't you move on? How can you move on? Move on. What's some level to call it? How? Won't me handler move on? I was young facade we saying yesterday. I'm not saying it's a happen, but it's a happen there. Baby, you could surround in warfare. Or you calm also because he's very ambitious also. Name move because NDC for members of parliament in Quarano, as any groovy well air woman we should do to moon started or moon yesterday. Matty Medamasi.
I was young, and in some way, and I Paul, I don't watch you or the two jar. Efa Achimnof, MP, Honorable Ohini Kwame Frimpong. I was young, and Yasam Kitua, and Nuna. Ebisa say, will this one be a cool job for NPP? And I say, a best din ama NPP because Obianim say a ho a ye NPP stronghold into a cos a best same. I was for my uncle dear Honorable Ohini from Paul Nokasaka fast, sir, ni arrest ni insense munina lembra
to emfa. Ushishe mami emfa de betumi bia na yedi nyankopon ankasa enshishe yimu me destiny de betumi bia and me de nyankopon ase for that because me wo ho no sebi erade amadom na me didi a enya me nkwa me kura he na me di but inyanka bi a omuku school inyanka bi a nka okay from pon ni wa nka omunya kwanya enko university enne omuku university enkrofo bi a ahokyere wo fi nti nka okay from pon ni wa nka ombebo sesa no enne san krofo ni na omanya ba bi agina okunani bi okay from pon nti otimi didi. These are the things that I'm proud about. And none na mekaya mameniji. Nti. Say oti baby. Now they why on party sem. Party sem. Ote party one tiffy. And I didn't say, Ube say, okay from pon. I didn't say, oh dear. And then my papa okay from pon. Na so da. Nti de biano. Boni nsem keka wayisi yesi oye fraud yesi oton cocaine yesi oyisi sa na teacher ni munti teacher ni voice message awaye o ede mo obi mbebo akere munti bi teacher ni so headmistress so ede munti
Around the baby 7 there mo e me de me yeah na me friend Alex engineer na opo Canada and also onya away na MC ewa agogo enti me friend na me friend see and I'm saying I'm so intending catch na we do that bit because
MC ka dem so ko Canada. No so wa ba no wa ko na so okay. I'm saying na dia na me titi. Ano si I to say no so sa na wate. We must go for class that post platforms bi so me ade.